Aloha and welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today I'll be preparing for you Basic Scoop Scones. In a medium-sized bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. Add in cold cubed butter using your hands. Pinch the butter into the size of peas. Mix together egg and milk until well combined. Then add in the egg and milk mixture into the flour and butter mix. Using a spatula or spoon, mix until it looks shaggy. Add in the cream cheese cubes, your favorite frozen fruit, and fold them in just until mixed. Scoop onto a parchment-lined pan using an ice cream scoop, making sure that they are 1 inch apart, and then bake at 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 15 to 16 minutes. While baking, mix the powdered sugar and lemon juice to form an icing. Drizzle the icing over the scones as soon as they come out of the oven. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.